Dr. Morgan, officials at the WHO last week said Europe is seeing a 50% jump in coronavirus cases, despite an ample supply of vaccines. Based on the data you have in the modeling, what do you think this means for Europe and the world at large this winter?
Well, I think it's very clear, firstly, that this indicates that the pandemic is far from over. And I think there was a moment, or at least a period over the summer, at least in Europe, where there was a lot of optimism that vaccines were going to be the solution by themselves. But I think it's very clear what we're seeing across the European countries is that vaccines are only a component of the solution for us to have maintain control of the transmission of COVID-19. Vaccines in conjunction or with other public health and social measures and disease control measures are going to be very important as we go through the winter season. And it's really critical that all the European countries really work very hard to keep the number of new cases down as low as possible so that they avoid a rapid escalation through the winter, which might also coincide with the circulation of other respiratory pathogens such as influenza, which would be a very serious problem for countries to experience an increase in both of those diseases at the same time. And I think for all countries around the world, this is again a reiteration of what WHO has been saying for a long time, which is that even where vaccines have been rolled out and are available, other public health and social measures used to reduce transmission continue to be important.